Good day, and welcome to Customer Effects Training Webinars. My name is Dale Richter, and today we're going to be talking about SalesLogix Cloud, the administration options. And in this webinar, we'll look at creating a new team. Now, why don't you hold on just a second while I switch over to my cloud, and we'll take a look at how to create a new team. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so here we are in the cloud, and it's opened up to the welcome page here. And because I'm logged in as admin, you'll see up at the top of the screen here I have my administration. And in the last webinar we looked at adding users, and in this one we're going to look at creating a new team. So I'm just going to click on the option here for new team. When I do that, it brings up the insert team dialog box. And there we're going to add our new team name. I'm just going to add in here Northeast as my team name. The next field I have here is the owner. So you need to choose an owner, and when I say owner, I'm talking about a user of SalesLogix. I'm just going to click on search here, and you'll see that it brings up all my users. So I'm going to choose Lee Hogan as the owner of this team. When you have an owner, this is the person that would be able to change ownership on any records owned by the Northeast. So you have to have somebody that's able to change that ownership to something else if you want them to be, besides the administrator. So then in the default security profile, we have all these different security profiles, and of course we can make our own security profiles. But we want to choose here the team owner profile. And again, the team owner profile is only stating that Lee Hogan, as the team owner, would be able to change the ownership on any records owned by this Northeast team. And remember, the ownership of any records is the security of SalesLogix. So this is what decides who can see a record, who can touch a record, who can edit records, things like that. So I chose the team owner profile there. Here there's a checkbox, automatically add the user's manager to the team. So this is kind of a management upflow. If you want the managers always to see the records of their underlings, then you would click on this box to automatically add the user's manager to a team. Okay, so once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on my save icon. It says the team's name is already in use, so I'm just going to put in Northeast 2. Okay, so there it's saved my team as Northeast 2, and you'll see down in the bottom here now I automatically have Lee Hogan and Lou Pizzuti. Now remember, Lou Pizzuti is the manager for Lee Hogan, so he automatically got added to this team. And then also here they have a tab for account access. So this will show us exactly who has access, or which accounts are accessible by the Northeast 2 team. Also shows in the upper right hand corner here when it was created, when it was last modified, and who modified it. Me, the administrator. So now if I go back to team members here, again it shows my team members, but I also have a list view up on the top here. So if I want to see all of my teams, I can go to the list view here, and there's a tab for all teams. And here I can see all the teams that are available to me out here. I can click on any one of those teams, and it will show me who's a member of which teams, and again which account access they have. So again here, I'm going to go back to the administration menu up on the top of the screen. When we want to create a new team, we're just going to choose the new team option here. It will bring us into the Insert Team dialog box. We put our team name in. We choose an individual as the owner of the team, and then we set the default security profile to the team owner profile. And if you wish, you can always automatically add the user's manager to that team. Very simple, easy as that. Once you do that, you go ahead and click on Save, and you have all your different teams available to you then that you can look at. This webinar on the SalesLogix Cloud has been about the administration options and creating a new team. I want to thank you for joining me today and look forward to having you in other webinars when we go through the rest of the administration options. Have a great day.